true. When God made you, you must have been thinking about me.
Let's begin this video officially. Thank you guys so much for coming to this video, coming back to this channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. Now, as we celebrate the Easter weekend, we just want to take a second to be grateful, guys. Now, we started this Canadian journey with just $100 and a dream. That's how it began, guys, and we find ourselves now in a position to be able to help so many people. And we're just so happy and we're just so grateful and we feel so blessed, right? Just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who have been here from the beginning, who have subscribed and who is still here. Thank you. It's such a beautiful day today.
It is.
Guys, it's such a beautiful day. We are
Heading to picnic.
on the walking trail right now, going to a picnic with my favorite Filipino and my fifth favorite Filipino up front. Yeah, and then we're gonna just go and have a picnic. We have some KFC and we got some chips and stuff, so we're just gonna hang out a little bit. It's Good Friday,
Yeah.
so this is how we're spending our Easter weekend. Did you work today, Eva?
No.
No. Nuts is cold. Yeah, nuts is cold. Are you cold, Eva?
No.
Jacket. You guys in our big jacket.
Eva is not. Our jacket is not even zipped up. And Eva's been here. How long have you been here, Eva?
7 what?
And how long have you been here, Nats?
3 years.
Okay.
Cold.
Are you cold, Jasmine? Oh, Jasmine is not cold either. Are you cold, Malika?
Malika, are you feeling cold?
Nah, she's laughing. I haven't been on this trail since last summer.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's like we do this trail
First time too.
like once a year. I'm sorry?
It's my first time.
For the year?
Yeah. Because every time they go, I'm at work.
Oh, so you didn't come on this trail last year?
No.
No? Oh, so it's your first time
Yeah.
on the trail, period.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Video, okay. The pond is unfrozen, or
Yeah, it's already frozen.
Yeah.
Look at that.
well, not say it's a stream, right?
No bear, right?
Yeah, but that was
No promises.
No. Only deer? Deer is good.
Malika is walking.
Yeah, and we need it. It's just...
Yeah.
I did a little weight.
Mr. Kaukam,
Yeah.
what's going on, man?
Huh?
Wagwan.
Oh, me there.
There. Wagwan, Sheen, Wagwan.
It's okay, Rika. You can do that.
You can do it.
Yeah. Face your fear. I told you, right? Always try. Try and
I can't wait for the trees to turn green again,
Oh,
man.
yeah, me too.
Jasmine, hurry up.
Guys, welcome to Grande Prairie. Or Filipino vlogger. What's the name of your channel?
Huh?
What's the name of your channel?
We have Team Kaukom.
What's it?
I know my name.
channel.
BBC channel?
Yeah.
Bro, that's
Very far.
cliche.
Very far.
Yeah, I think it's very far too.
Yeah?
We're
I don't know, you ask
channel.
your
We're
papa.
big Kahukum channel.
Big Kaukam. Okay, okay.
We have a channel.
What's it
Just
called?
need to, my name, Evelyn Polo.
Eva Lampolos.
Yeah.
Kaukam.
Like and subscribe. But it's very old.
You need to get it back up and running, Eva.
Yeah.
Mommy, can you read what it says over there?
Mommy, bear and me.
It's just a signage. There's no bear. Don't worry, we have kids to this. Whenever we see a bear, we're gonna feed Shin. Have you been here before?
Yeah, I've been here before, yeah. You should be here when it's green, man.
Oh yeah.
Telling you. That's nature.
Okay, probably.
When all of these trees are just full of green and the grass
Even in
and
fall, I guess it's protected.
in fall as well.
Yeah.
I don't know. I love summer, man. Fall is okay, but summer is my favorite.
Summer's the best.
I hate winter.
Oh yeah. Of course. I understand that.
Bro, I'm starting not to trust you.
Don't worry, man. Don't worry. It's a good exercise.
Yeah, it's been a while. We're just sitting in the house. It's the first walk I've ever had. Down.
You always act shy.
Yeah, every time. Every first hour of encounter with Maria. Jasmine, please stay on the right side. What? What's that?
Well, you can take your hand out too. Empty?
What's your plate, whips?
Come here, come here.
Go, 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 go. Get it, get it.
Come here. No, it's okay. You already know.
I already took a picture. Don't worry about it.
Oh, so windy. Almost wasted a plate.
Oreo, okay. Oreo.
I'm looking for the parts that you like, babes. Want fries?
Yeah.
Is it picture? Hi to mommy.
She's videoing.
Yeah, she's recording a video.
Okay, babes.
Oh, we could get it actually rain earlier. Like 5 o'clock.
Oh, there's some. Oh.
Apparently it's raining.
It's windy.
Yeah. You're good? What about you? Are you good?
Want some sauce? Not a sauce. Gravy.
No,
I
not
want pork.
Everyone's out of town.
Bad Wi-Fi getting in the way?
Please don't stop this young heart. Just take my hand.
guys. We're so tired. My guy.
Do you know what's pretty?
What's that?
Do you know what's pretty?
Really? What's really? I don't know. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, guys. Really appreciate you guys. Just did a meeting with one of my clients where she came to Canada as a student. She's graduating this year, and you know what, she has a lot of mixed emotions, and I was just talking to her, just kind of give her some reassurance by sharing my journey, of course, and just giving her some career tips, coaching and stuff like that that can make her journey a little bit better. But in talking to her, it kind of take me back to when I just came to Canada a couple of years ago, guys, and just to remember the amount of overwhelming emotions that we were feeling. There was a feeling of excitement, but there was also a feeling of uncertainty and anxiety, and in some cases it was even a feeling of depression. Wondering if we have made the right decision to come to Canada, especially, you guys know my story already. I came to Canada with literally only $100. After I paid all my school fees, all of that, I ended up with just $100. That's how my journey began, guys. And it was tough. I'm not gonna lie, it was a tough beginning, and leaving your country, leaving your home, leaving your family and friends behind to start over in a new country, it can be a very overwhelming process, right? But I just want to finish this video to just let persons who are making the transition or persons who are already here and they're new here, to let you guys know that, you know what, it's okay to feel the way you're feeling. That's the first thing. And the second thing is, it's not going to last forever, right? Now, everybody has a different journey. Everybody has a different story. Based on your own situation, based on your own unique circumstances, do not judge your journey based on anybody else's journey. Everybody's journey is different. Do not make it because somebody else who you know came to Canada as a student, they are succeeding and you are not meeting your intended goals based on your preconceived goals that you have in your mind, cause you to feel like a failure. Guys, it's okay. You are starting over from zero, and many of us has to start from negative. Some persons have to take loan to be here, right? So at the end of the day, guys, do not beat yourself up too much and feel like it's not worth it. Now, big up Alex. You guys have seen him on my channel before. He puts it perfectly, guys. He puts it perfectly. It's like getting, let me grab something to just demonstrate exactly what migrating looks like in Canada. Happy to see that you guys are still here. Now, this is a shirt, guys, obviously. Now, this shirt by itself, I probably won't wear this to work without ironing the shirt, right? This is what migrating is like. This is a crush shirt. It's crush. It's difficult. It's crush. This is when you just migrate, right? It's crush. You can't see the smooth patches. Every turn you turn, it's crush. But the longer you're here, guys, you get yourself a clothes iron. You start ironing out the shirt, guys. You start ironing out. Then you start seeing some smooth patches. You get some more smooth patches around here. You get some more smooth patches down there, so too. You get some more smooth patches around the back. And then you realize that more and more smooth patches start to emerge, right? And then you realize that the shirt that was so crushed, the journey that was so difficult and had so many challenges, started to become smoother and smoother and smoother. And what's the difference, guys? Time. There's no substitute to time. The longer you are here, guys, the easier and the more smoother your journey will become. Trust the process, guys. Trust the process. Now, a lot of persons will tell you that, hey, Canada is not this, Canada is not that. Let me just tell everybody this. Canada is that for me, right? Canada is that for me because where I'm at in my life right now, there's no way, no how I'd be able to accomplish the same things that I have accomplished so far since moving to Canada in Jamaica. And that's just the fact. Now, everybody's journey is different. Some persons probably have a lot back home, have a lot going on for them, and they come here and they realize that they have to work. It's tough. It's all of those stuff, and they feel like they would be better off back home, but not for me. Let me tell you this, guys. There's so many opportunities here for people who are skilled and progressive and willing to work. You can accomplish anything you want to accomplish in this country. And that's just it. But also remember that the grass is greener where you water it. You can come here, and if you don't have the right mindset, then you're going to fail just the same. It's all about the mindset, guys. 5% financial, 95% mindset. I can't reiterate that enough, guys. The difference in terms of whether you succeed or fail, it doesn't determine by the amount of money that you come with. It determines by the mindset that you come here with. Choose your province wisely. Choose your studies wisely if you're coming as an international student. Choose your friends even wisely. Choose your network wisely because your network determines your net worth as well. So create meaningful connections, learn from each other's experience, and grow. That's what it is, guys. That's what it is. Don't come with the mentality that you have back home. Totally different country, guys. Totally different culture. Totally different ways to make it. Come, unlearn, relearn quickly as possible, and then that will be your driving force to accomplish anything that you want to accomplish in Canada, guys. Now, I am not a Canadian immigration officer, neither am I a Canadian ambassador. All I do, guys, is to share my own unique journey, my own unique circumstances, guys, and hopefully my story can be motivation for others who are in a similar position to strive and to make it and to go towards it. Don't feel discouraged. People message me all the time, hey, is it worth it moving to Canada? I can't answer that question for you. You have to determine why you want to move to Canada. What's in it for you? Why do you want to move to Canada in comparison to moving to the US or the UK or somewhere else around the world? I can't answer that for you, but for me, it was worth it. It was worth it 1000% for me, and I've never met somebody with the right mindset who said that it didn't make sense for them, who said that they regretted moving to Canada, right? Get the right mindset, surround yourself with the positive influence and the positive source of motivation that you're going to need, and come live some life. I know it sounds like I'm ranting, guys, but I promise you, I'm not really ranting. I'm just so passionate about this topic, right? I want to finish off by saying that success is not about how far you are, but success is about how far you are from where you started. Bear that in mind, guys. Repeat, success is not about how far you are, but success is about how far you are from where you started. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys so much for supporting this channel. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, liking, and commenting. I really hope everybody have a fantastic Easter weekend. You guys be safe. See you guys in the next video.